Hi, it's Bob the Toolman here. Today we're gonna do unboxing and testing of SILVERCREST kitchen tools. It's an electric grater. This tool, it's 5-in-1 function, 150 watt with roast fry blades. Has five different grading positions that you can change. So the first is grating attachment, and the second one is shredding attachment for fine, and shredding attachment for coarse, and slicing attachment for fine, and slicing attachment for thick. We're gonna try now, we're gonna try all of them now. We have the instruction manual and all the spare parts. So here all the attachments for slicing, shredding and grating. They're in different colors, as you can see. This is for shredding fine, then this is for slicing thick, this is for grating attachment, this is for shredding coarse, like you can do cheese with this. And this is a slicing fine or thin. I think this is going to be my favorite one because when I do cabbage this will be perfect, and also for the cucumber. But we'll check them now and see the results of the salad. So this is the place where you can keep all the attachments. So go one by one, go like this. And close. On off switch, nothing else, and you can use it. Very simple. Here you can check the sticker with all the basic necessities and information. And this is the important part, the front part that will do all the job. The top part will be push the cucumber, the carrot or cabbage or cheese or onion or whatever, and here you can see lock on and lock off and lock on position when you install the grinder. So it should be like this, but first, before you put it, you have to select the attachment you want to put. For example, this or this. So it goes like this, the attachment, like this. So you pull it like this. push in. So we go in this position, it's shown in the picture here, and just turn left, and that's it, and we are ready to use it. But before I use it, I will clean it first, wash it, because it's a brand new. So when I'm done, I'll be back in a second. So now when I'm done cleaning, I can actually test the machine. We're gonna try to chop some onion first for the hamburgers, of course, and then we're gonna try to make some nice salad. For this purpose, we are going to use this slicing thick for the onion tool. Let's put this back, because we're gonna go switch back and forth all of them. So how do you install this? Very easy, like this. Section with both hands, just pull and it comes right out. If you want to try like this, yeah, it can go later, but now in this moment, like this, it's safer. Just watch your hand, because this part is very sharp. So how do you fit this? Lock off, lock on. You can see that sign. Turn 45 degrees on the right. Push counterclockwise, and you hear the sound, and we're done. So let's see, it's working. Now we're gonna cut the onion first, because the hole is going to be a little bit bigger. Well, we can go the whole one, or if you have a bigger onion, you can cut on half. So we're gonna try like this first and see the result. Let's take part 2. Not so bad, but it's perfect for hamburger serving. We're gonna use that later. Next, the thin one. This was actually the thick one. No, thin one. We have to try this. This is not good, so we need to pull it first out of unplug. Okay, now we plugged in again. Working. Okie dokie. So we'll try cabbage. Cabbage. Is it too big? Yeah. So I have to go in a small pieces, like this. I think this is too thin for the cabbage. Maybe we should try cucumber instead of cabbage with this knife. So this is too thin for cabbage, so let's go back to the thicker one. Definitely better for cabbage. Attachment to see how we're gonna do with carrots. I think we're doing pretty fine with that. Like this part. So I think for the carrot and for cucumber turned out to be fine. I don't have cheese to try it right now, but I will make a lot of different salads and we will try it, and I will try all the attachments.